Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering in a Department of Information Science and Engineering. Subject Social Concept and Responsibility. Subject work BSCK 307. Presented by Ananya MK. USN 1B23 IS 004. Under guidance of Ms. Amrita C, Assistant Professor, Department of ISC. Content Plantation and adaptation of a tree, heritage walk and a crafts corner, and organic farming and a waste management, and water conservation, food walk and a reference. Plantation and adaptation of a tree. Holy basil, Tulsi. Introduction. Tulsi, commonly known as a holy basil, is care and medicine plant deeply reserved in Indian culture. It plays a significant role in Ayurveda, the traditional Indian system of medicine, and is widely used for therapeutic properties. The plant has a long history of use as a healing herb and has been linked to improved health outcomes throughout centuries. The plant is reserved for its spiritual significance and is commonly grown in homes, temples, and gardens. Origin. The Tulsi plant is native of South Asia, particularly India, Nepal, and Sri Lanka. It has spread to many parts of Southeast Asia, Africa, and even a temperature region of the world like Europe and the America. Overview. Scientific name Ocaming terrenifoli. Common name Holy Basil, Tulsi, and benefits and use of a tulsi. Ayurvedic medicine used in a treatment of a respiratory disorder, skin disease, digestive issues, and as an immunity booster. Home remedies. Tulsi leaves are commonly chewed or used in a teas or a treat colds, fevers, headaches, and digestive problem. Forma- Modern use of a formally. Tulsi extracts are incorporated into herbal supplements to improve our immune function and reduce the stress. And in cosmetics, Tulsi oil is used in a skincare product for its antibacterial property and functional foods. Tulsi added in a healthy drinks, teas, and tonics aimed at promoting a wellness. Carbon sequence. Trees absorb a carbon dioxide, a major greenhouse gas, helping mitigate the effects of climate change and biodiversity preservation. Plantation creates habitats for various species, helping preserve and restore the economic system and biodiversity. Soil conservation. Roots of trees prevent soil erosion and maintain a soil. Heritage Walk and a Crafts Corner. Ambutirtha. Introduction. Ambutirtha is a scenery and a cultural significant spot near a Tirthahalli in the Shimoga district of Karnataka, India. It holds a historical and mythological importance, making it a popular destination for both natural lovers and pilgrims. Mythological significance. Ambutirtha is believed to be a location where the sacred river Sharavati originated. According to the legend, Lord Rama shot an arrow to quench his thrust and river Sharavati emerged at this spot. The name of Ambutirtha translates to divine water spring. Natural beauty. The site is surrounded by a lashy green rolling hills and tranquil streams offering the visitors of a peaceful retreat into the nature. Religious and relevance. It is sacred city for Hindus and attracts pilgrims who came to offer prayers and take a deep holy waters for a Sharavati river. Heritage Walk and a Crafts Corner. Architectural and historical features of Ambutirtha. Simple streets. The site hosts a small shrine dedicated to a Lord Rama and other deities often visited by pilgrims. This structure are modest, reflecting traditional South Indian temple styles and integration with the nature. The site design integrates seamlessly with the surrounding, emphasizing its connection to mythology and nature rather than a man-made grandeur. Traditional elements. The shrine and any surrounding structure like features, tradition, carvings, and a small mandapas typically of rulers' great cities in Karnataka. Organic farming and waste management. Introduction. Organic farming is an agricultural system that seeks to produce a food and other products using a methods that do not involve synthetic pesticide, fertilizer, or generalized modified organism. Principle. Health. Organic farming aims to produce a food that is nutrients and healthy for people, animals, and plants. This involves minimizing exposure to harmful chemical and supporting a natural system that enhances the health. Ecological. Organic farming practice work in harmony with the nature by protecting a biodiversity, improving a soil quality and supporting a nature ecosystem. Farmers focus on reducing the environmental degradation and enhancing the soil fertility through a sustainable methods. Fairness. Organic farming strives for a fairness and social justice, ensuring that farmers, workers, and communication benefits from ethical practice, fair wages, and a proper working condition. Care. The principle of a care emphasizes responsible stewardships of the land and resource. Organic farming involves a practice that protect the environment, preserve the biodiversity, and maintain a long-term balance in a farming system. Key features. Environmental sustainability. Organic farming practices promote the conservation of a natural resource, reduce the pollution, and help maintain a biodiversity by avoiding a harmful chemical and a synthetic input that can degrade the ecosystem. Improve the soil health. Organic farming enhances soil fertility through a natural practice like composing, a crop rotation, and use of organic fertilizers. Reduce the chemical exposure by avoiding a synthetic practice, herbicides and fertilizer. Organic farming reduce the levels of harmful chemicals in the environment, leading to a cleaner air, water, and food. Biodiversity preservation. Organic farming promotes a biodiversity by encouraging a variety of plants, animals, and insects, helping to maintain a balanced and resilient ecosystem that is less prone to disease and pesticide outbreaks. Healthier food. Organic foods trends to lower levels of pesticides and chemicals, making them a healthier choice for a consumer. Climate change and mitigation. Organic farming practice such as reduced tillage, carbon sequestration, and soil conservation can help mitigate climate change by reducing greenhouse gas emission and improving carbon storage in a soil. Water conservation. Conserving water is in a wells involves a practice that reduce the water waste, ensure the sustainable use, and maintain the health of a water table. Some effective methods for water conservation in a wells include proper well maintenance, regular instructions that check the works, leaks, breaks, and may lead to a water loss well, sealing properly seal wells to prevent contamination and reduce the evaporation. Rainwater harvesting. Collecting a rainwater, use gutters and a storage system to collect the rainwater for a non-potable uses, thus reducing the reliance on well water. Efficient water use. Low flow of fixtures. Install a water saving device like low flow fluctuators, showerheads, and toilets to reduce amount of water used. Watering system. Use a drip irrigation or a soaker hose for gradients to minimize the use of well water. Reduce the over extraction. Monitor water levels. Keep a track of well water levels to avoid over pumping, which can lead to a depletion of aquifer. And a residential method. Fix the leaks, repair the dripping facilities and toilets, and prevent water usage. Water efficient appliance. Install a low flow slower toilets and energy efficient disorder and washing machines. Rainwater harvesting. Collect rainwater for outdoor use such as gardening and cleaning. Shorten showers. Reduce the shower time and turn a tap when you are brushing your teeth. Agriculture measure. Drip irrigation, soil moisture management, drought resistant crops, and industry